full watch to elevate your attire. Avoid excessive accessory that may distract from your overall appearance or look too flashy. Grooming plays a vital role in completing your office-ready look. Ensure your hair is well groomed, and if you have facial hair, keep it neatly trimmed. Maintain a clean and professional appearance. While still adhering to your personal style. The importance of dressing for success. Dressing appropriately for Casual Friday not only demonstrates respect for your workplace but also showcases your attention to detail and professionalism. It's important to remember that even though the dress code may be more relaxed, you are still representing your company and yourself. By mastering the art of men's office fashion on Casual Friday, you can create a positive and lasting impression among your colleagues and superiors. The power of tailoring. One key aspect of dressing well for Casual Friday is ensuring that your clothes fit properly. Ill-fitting clothes can look sloppy and unprofessional, even in a more relaxed setting. Consider investing in tailoring to make adjustments to your clothing so that they flatter your body shape and create a polished look. A well-tailored outfit can instantly elevate your style and boost your confidence. In the workplace. Experimenting with accessories. Accessories not only add a personal touch to your outfit but can also enhance your overall appearance. Consider incorporating stylish accessories into your Casual Friday look, such as a patterned pocket square or a slim tie. Be mindful of not going overboard with accessories, as they should complement your outfit rather than overpower it. Simple and tasteful choices can go a long way in making our ensemble stand out. The role of colors and patterns. When choosing clothing for Casual Friday, it's essential to consider the colors and patterns that you wear. Opt for neutral and subdued colors that exude professionalism and versatility. Avoid loud and bold colors that may appear too casual or distracting. Similarly, choose subtle patterns that add visual interest without overpowering your outfit. Stripes or small checks are great options for while solid-colored trousers or chinos can help create a cohesive look. Dressing for different environments. It's worth noting that the rules for Casual Friday may vary depending on the workplace and the industry you're in. While some environments may permit a more relaxed approach, others may still require a slightly more formal attire. If you're unsure about what's appropriate, it's always better to err on the side of caution and choose a slightly more polished outfit. Observing the dressing habits of your colleagues and asking your supervisor for clarity can also provide valuable insights. Staying consistent with personal style. While it's important to adhere to your company's dress code policy, it's equally important to stay true to your personal style. Dressing well on Casual Friday shouldn't mean compromising your individuality. Look for ways to incorporate your personal taste into your outfit while still maintaining a professional appearance. Whether it's a particular color scheme, a unique accessory, or a specific style of clothing, find opportunities to express yourself within the bounds of workplace appropriateness. Maintaining a polished appearance throughout the day. Finally, remember that looking sharp on Casual Friday is not a one-time effort. Throughout the day, ensure that your clothing remains clean, wrinkle-free, and well-presented. Regularly check for any